the original concept for this program of connecting Americans here in the U.S. with our brothers and sisters there in South Africa, it came to me through a young brother out of South Africa named Piri Mamiala. And please forgive me, brother, if I didn't pronounce your name correctly. But sometimes us brothers here on this side of the Atlantic, we are challenged with regard to the languages there in Africa. And I think you know the reasons for that.
Hello everyone, Piri Mamiala here, a champion. Mr. Pat Saddle asked me to put together this video. What is Hustlers Hub, you ask me? In Hustlers Hub, we are the theater of dreams, goals, and ideas. This is a system that I personally have actually created to help those whose hunger cannot be denied, those whose hunger is big enough for them to work their way to stardom, for them to work their way to the success world. I'd like to say that in this family, we are because you are. We have, of course, partnered with Grand House, an initiative by Brother Saddle himself, a man of God, a God-fearing man. And together, I believe, we are to redefine a global economy. My reason for creating this system is because I realized that most people, they have their ideas that are big enough to change the world, but they were not keen enough to take the first step. So I collect them together to put them under one house, to which I believe we're going to inspire each other, we're going to motivate each other, we're going to drive each other until we reach the finish line. This is something so good because when I help you to run and chase after your dream like it's the buzz of the night, this is something so good. So that's the reason why I established Hustlers Hub myself.
We created this side Grindhouse, and it's the same type of portal where people can come in if you have an idea, if you want to push your platform, your product, your business, whatever. We just wanted to provide you with an opportunity to get feedback, be promoted, and just know that you had a place to go. And our ultimate collective goal is to truly redefine the global economy. And I think what this brother has already established, because there in South Africa, he already has over 1,000 people connected, and we're moving a little slower here, but we're still grinding. So just wanted to let you know what we're trying to do, and we're going to push forward, and we're going to do all that we can to connect our people and, like I said, redefine the global economy. Thank you.